Hi, how are you? It's me, King Polly Does Yoga. It's a beautiful morning. We just went through the equinox. A great rebalancing has taken place, and there's a lot going on in the world. So I thought I would come to you and lead a short relaxation. So please take your time to make yourself comfortable. If that's sitting, if that's laying, truly just what is most comfortable for you. Just take a deep inhale through the nose and exhale out of the mouth. Again, breathing in, breathing out. Staying with your breath here, adding any movement that feels good. So this is a nice thing to do the start of every day, maybe during a break, before bed. Feel free to reach your arms overhead, open up through the fingers, the toes, blow out through the lips, allow your head to relax side to side. But continue with your breath, breathing in and breathing out. Taking this time just to notice how you feel, where you're at right now in this moment, without needing to change or fix anything. Allowing yourself to sit and breathe with whatever feelings may arise, with whatever thoughts may arise, trusting your ability to stay present through it all. Just for a few moments. Allowing ourselves to begin to be more open to the messages from our heart and less reactive to the messages of our mind. Repeating after me, I am grateful. I am safe. I am enough. I am here. Inhaling through the nose. Exhaling out of the mouth. Thank you so much for joining me. Maybe give me a little shake out, wiggle, stretching open through the eyes, the jaw. Just allowing yourself to become more and more comfortable with taking these moments of stillness, of breath, of awareness, to check in and to slow down. Please like, subscribe, take a look around. And follow me on Instagram where I post a daily wisdom card every day. Namaste.